9 most expensive apartments in New York City, which are literally unaffordable. New York City shows a fusion of culture and trading, and it is considered the apex of the elite urban way of living. Urban living in New York is so expensive that everyone cannot afford it. Yes, I am talking about everyone, including only upper-class families. If you're planning to shift to New York City, then see the video before finalizing the decision, because a single-bedroom apartment costs $2,810 for rent. Or if you're a rich person, then this video is for you too, because you can plan where you should buy the apartment in New York City that matches your dream. In this video, you will find the 9 most expensive apartments in New York City, which are unimaginable due to their world-class architectural design. 1. 9 East 68th Street, 10,022. Extraordinary Mega Mansion. Price, $29.5 million. This mansion is the art of 1906, which contains 10 bedrooms, a drawing room, a dining room, and a library. This incredible mansion is considered the most expensive home for buyers. The surface area is 39 feet wide and 93 feet deep. Residents of New York City called this house the Extraordinary Mega Mansion. 2. East 63rd Street, 10,065. 3 Terrace. Price, $29.995 million. If you love terraces, then buy this house that has 3 terraces. It is one of the most expensive apartments in New York City, which is spread over 10,000 sq. This mega house has 5 stories, 9 bedrooms, and more than 1 terrace. It occupies a space of 25 feet. People like this amazing house due to its location. It is located in the center of the prime townhouse, made with bricks and trimmed with limestone. 3-story rounded bay enhances the beauty of this apartment. 3. 10 East 76th Street, 10,021. Majestic ceilings. Cost, $32 million. The rooftop views and high heightened ceilings increase the price of this mansion, though these are the features that cannot be seen nowadays. You pick it right. This was not the construction of today's builders. It was designed in 1904. Residents near this mansion said it is extremely traditional, glowy, and light with a giant rooftop. It is built in an area of 12,380 f and occupies more than 2,500 sq ft of outdoor space. The height of the ceiling is around 13 feet. This majestic mansion has 6 bedrooms and is located in the middle of New York's 5th Avenue. 4. 995th Avenue, New York. Art of Rosario Candela. Price, $35 million. In the 1920s, renowned architect Rosario Candela was responsible to design sumptuous apartments in New York City. He made numerous stunning houses and mansions. This house is marked as Rosario's best creation and the most expensive apartment in New York City. This house has 14 rooms, a generous terrace, and an astonishing outdoor area. 5. 795 Fifth Avenue, New York. Gives Central Park view. Price, $37 million. This apartment has only 3 bedrooms, but it is more expensive than the above 4 penthouses and mansions, just because of location. This apartment is designed in such a way that you can sight Central Park from every direction. Visitors said that this house is for those residents who need gracious living space, enjoy opulent entertainment, and want a dream trophy apartment. 6. 1016 Fifth Avenue, 2 ABC, 10,028. New York's most prestigious building. Price, $37 million. Architect designed this building in such a way that it became honorable in the history of building style. This 1016 mansion is built on an area of 8,000 sq. This house is spacious but attractive, simple but glorious, and a sign of modern art. This house is located at the corner of New York 5th Avenue, and people consider this the most prestigious building ever because of its style and essence of architectural design. 7. 200 Amsterdam Avenue, New York. Offers New York dazzling view. Price, $38 million. This is another art of creation, which is the most expensive apartment in New York City. Apartment 200 has 4 bedrooms, and it takes the 49th and 50th floors. From all the rooms of this home, you can enjoy the dazzling view of New York City. 8. 25 Columbus Circle, 75 CE, 10,019. Design in 180-degree view. Price, $40 million. One more stunning apartment in New York, which is the most expensive, is located in Central Park, near 25 Columbus Circle. This is designed in such a way that you can see the 180-degree view from the floor to the roof. This apartment is the jetliner, which provides a view of the entire New York. 9. Ritz-Carlton Penthouse, 50 Central Park South. Speechless. Price: $50 million. You know, the New York City luxurious Ritz-Carlton Hotel, where this apartment resides. When you go to the terrace, you forget to breathe by seeing the view of New York. I hope this video helps make decisions if you're planning to go to New York. Whether you buy a luxurious house in New York or plan to rent over here, this video guide will aid you in choosing the best destination. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.